That is part of the Not the One campaign. That is, it's out there, it's available. A couple of questions, guys. Couple of questions. How old was Harry when he first became involved with this stuff?
15.
14. Yeah, 14 when he started. So, what did Emma say about what he got involved with? What was the person he was working for getting him to do?
Drug runs.
So, drug runs. So, potentially, you're looking at links with maybe organised crime and so on and stuff like that, potentially. But obviously, he was being used and exploited for dealing drugs and so on. What was the impact on Emma as a result of Harry's murder? PTSD? Yeah, definitely. So, what was she saying? Examples. What did she say was happening to her?
She couldn't sleep.
Can't sleep, yeah? Anxiety. What else, guys?
PTSD.
Yeah, we've got PTSD, but what were the symptoms she was saying? Can't sleep, anxiety.
Night terrors.
Night terrors, yeah, definitely. Say it again. Visions. Yeah, what happens when she was waking up? Screaming, shaking, yeah, all that sort of stuff. So, you know, it's had a massive impact on Emma as an individual. Those people that murdered him, they wanted to be the kingpins on their patch. They wanted to achieve, we rule this place. But did they achieve what they wanted to achieve? No, they're all in jail. Yeah, they're not doing all the drug dealing that they want to do and so on and stuff like that. You know, so it's quite a big impact. You know, you look at how that impact of a person that is murdered, not at a particular location, affects everybody.
Where did he get stabbed in the face?
Specifics, I do not know directly where. You think about yourself, you know, how you would feel if you had a brother or sister or somebody really, really close to you that was murdered in those sort of circumstances. How do you think you would feel? You know, do you reckon you'd be a little bit sad, maybe, to say the least? You know, stuff like that can have a long-term, lasting effect. And yeah, you know, Emma's never going to forget that. Never forget what's happened. You know, it's a huge thing. It's a huge thing, and it's very, very detrimental. You know.